Buying your first home is supposed to be one of the most exciting experiences of your life, but let's be real, it's also one of the most stressful. You're dealing with a mountain of paperwork, confusing terms, hidden costs, and that constant fear that you're going to mess something up that could cost you thousands. Sound familiar? If you're a first-time homebuyer, this video is exactly what you need to avoid costly mistakes that so many people make without even realizing it. Today, we're going to break down the top 5 first-time homebuyer mistakes that can turn your dream home into a financial nightmare. Stick with us, and by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to dodge these pitfalls, but also feel a whole lot more confident in your home buying journey. Let's get into it. Not getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Let's jump right into the first major mistake many first-time homebuyers make: not getting pre-approved for a mortgage. A lot of people get caught up in the excitement of house hunting without knowing exactly what they can afford. But here's the deal. If you're not pre-approved, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Imagine falling in love with the perfect home only to find out you can't afford it. Or worse, losing out to another buyer who is pre-approved because they look more serious to the seller. So, what's the solution? Get pre-approved before you start looking. This will give you a clear picture of your budget and show sellers that you're a serious buyer. It also saves time because you'll know exactly what price range to focus on. Not budgeting for all the costs. Next up is a mistake that can leave many first-time buyers feeling blindsided. Not budgeting for all the costs involved in buying a home. When most people think about buying a home, they only focus on the down payment. But there's so much more to it than that. There are closing costs, home inspections, property taxes, insurance, and let's not forget about moving expenses and maintenance. Here's a quick breakdown. Closing costs typically range from 2% to 5% of the loan amount. This includes things like lender fees, title insurance, and appraisal fees, property taxes, and homeowner's insurance. These are ongoing expenses that many first-time buyers forget to factor into their monthly budget. Maintenance and repairs. If you're used to renting, it can be easy to forget that you are now responsible for any repairs, from fixing a leaky roof to replacing a broken water heater. The best way to avoid this mistake: create a detailed budget that includes all these hidden costs. Make sure you have enough savings set aside not just for the down payment, but for those unexpected expenses that will pop up. Letting emotions drive your decisions. The third mistake is one of the biggest traps for first-time home buyers. Letting emotions drive your decisions. It's easy to fall in love with a home that checks all your dream boxes. Perfect kitchen, spacious backyard, great location. But don't let that excitement cloud your judgment. Here's the harsh reality. The home might look perfect, but it could come with serious issues like a bad foundation, outdated wiring, or being overpriced for the area. So, what's the solution? Always think logically. Make sure to get a professional home inspection to uncover any potential issues before you commit. And don't be afraid to walk away if the price is too high or the inspection reveals too many red flags. Remember, there will always be other homes. Stick to your budget, trust the process, and don't get swept away by emotions. Not exploring all mortgage options. Another common mistake that first-time homebuyers make is not exploring all their mortgage options. Most people default to the traditional 30-year fixed-rate mortgage, and while that's a solid option for many, it might not be the best fit for you. There are a variety of mortgage products out there, each with its pros and cons depending on your financial situation and long-term plans. FHA loans. These are great for first-time buyers with lower credit scores or a smaller down payment, but they come with mortgage insurance premiums that can add to your monthly costs. VA loans. If you're a veteran or active duty service member, this option offers competitive rates with no down payment. 15-year versus 30-year loans. A 15-year loan means higher monthly payments but saves you thousands in interest over the life of the loan. The key takeaway? Talk to multiple lenders and explore all your options. Make sure you understand the terms of each loan and choose the one that best fits your long-term financial goals. Skipping the home inspection. Finally, let's talk about one of the most avoidable mistakes that too many first-time buyers make: skipping the home inspection. It can be tempting to cut corners and save a few $100s by skipping the inspection, especially in a competitive market where sellers want fast sales. But this is one area where you do not want to skimp. A home inspection is your opportunity to uncover any potential problems that might not be visible at first glance. Things like hidden mold, structural issues, plumbing problems, or even pests. These issues can cost thousands of dollars to fix down the road. The fix? Never skip the home inspection. It's worth every penny, and if the inspection reveals major issues, you can either renegotiate the price or walk away from the deal altogether. So, there you have it. The top 5 first-time homebuyer mistakes and, more importantly, how to avoid them. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be well on your way to making smarter, more informed decisions as you embark on your home buying journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Estate Explorer for more real estate tips and insights. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions or any topics you want us to cover in future videos? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and good luck on your home buying adventure.